Hello again. Okay, so today I've had people ask for number 78, how to do it. So I'm doing a demonstration on how to do it. So here we go. All right. So Alice has a team photo and it's 4 by 5 inches. So I have that. For part A, she went to the print shop. She was confronted with many choices of size. So there's 7 by 9, there's 8 by 10, and 12 by 16. What you want to do is have something similar. Similar means all I did was enlarge it, but I kept the same proportions. So the best one would actually be the 8 by 10 because 5 times 2 is 10 and 4 times 2 is 8. If I do 4 times 2, I don't get 7, and then 5 times 2, you know what I mean? Like these don't really fit. The 4 is, if I go times 3, I would get 12, but 5 times 3 is not 15. So these just like don't work. So now we're gonna enlarge it to 8 by 10. So let me make sure, is that showing? Yeah. So this is 8 and 10. And that's basically part A. So this is why she should do it, because these two are what's called similar. Do you remember that symbol for similar? So one is an enlargement of the other. All right, part B. If you did not understand, we're dealing with cost. So let's see, the cost of the photo paper is 0.45, 45 cents. And that was this little one here. So let's write 0.45. And the cost per square inch, blah, 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 remains constant. Okay, how much should it cost to do this one? So what you need to remember is, even though the sides double, the area does not double. It actually is double squared like that. So it's actually times 4. Does that make sense? So if not, look back at Friday's video. I explained how the side ratio or scale factor, or whatever you call it, is, let's see, 4 to 8, 5 to 10 is basically just 1 to 2. Because if I reduce it, I get 1 to 2. So what I have to do for area is square them. So it's actually 4 times as big. This one is 4 times as big. That means that 45 cents, we're going to just do 0.45 and multiply it by 4. Okay, instead of times 2. Don't double it, you want to multiply by 4. So go ahead and do that. I'm not going to give you the answer, you can go ahead and do that. All right, part C says the principal already enlarged Alice's original team photo, this little one, and he had to pay $7.20. What are the dimensions that he got? Okay. Here's what I suggest. We're going to take the 720. Let's pick a different color. 720. You see that? And I want to divide it by 45 to see how many times larger it got. Because here it was times 4, right? 45 cents times 4. So what times 45 made 720? So I'm just going to divide by the 0.45. Okay, so I put that in the calculator, 7.2 divided by 0.45, and it is 16. Okay, does that mean these sides were multiplied by 16? No, not quite. It means these sides were multiplied by something squared. So what squared equals 16? What squared equals 16? How about 4 times 4? Yes, so 4 squared. So this actually, the length got bigger 4 times. The length has to be bigger by 4 because the area was 4 squared, or 16 times as big. So if that makes no sense, just rewind it. Okay, so the principal's actual things are times 4. So I'm going to go back to her original one, which was 4 by 5. And the principal got it 4 times as big. So that would be 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. So the principal got 16 by 20. Okay, so that is number 78. Good luck. Talk soon.